Today I'm on a yacht. I'm looking at a guest fan that isn't operating. It has ceased at this time. As you can see, the one in behind is operating. Plan to take it apart and have a look at the motor and see whether we can unseize it using Lantos 730 from Lantos Coatings. So now I have the unit off the wall and I'm now going to dismantle it in sections. Right now I've taken the front cover off and also removed the fan itself. Now I'm going to turn it over, undo the 3 screws at the back and remove the rest of the cover. Just going to remove the swing arm setting. And now I'm going to undo the 3 back screws. Okay, so I've taken the back side of the protector plate off, and now as you open it up, it falls apart. As you can see, there's a little bit of carbon around the area. I'm just going to remove the front of the motor area. Oops, it's full of carbon. You can see, suggest it's a long time overdue for a maintenance call. Lantos product is dielectrically friendly. It's a very a very viscous product. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flood the chamber. It is safe to do this. There's no issue. Because what I'm trying to do is release the carbon inside. Okay. As you can see, I put plenty in there. Whoops, she's turning nice and free already. What I'm trying to do is to get this very blackish material out of the motor itself. This 730 is a lubricant and will help protect it from the moisture, and when you're in a warmer climate, of course, it's a very useful product to have on board. So it's been 20 minutes since I flooded the chamber, and the motor itself is now running very smoothly. As you can see in behind, there is a lot of black on this white towel or white rag, and that's the carbon from the inside coming out. I've now cleaned up all the components and the cages themselves, the safety cages. I noted there was a little bit of rust in here, but you can spray a little bit of this Lantos 730 inside on those, and that should protect it. The motor is now running very freely, whereas before it seemed very hard to turn over, so it's done its job. And now I'm going to reassemble it and reinstall it. Okay, so the unit is now back together, as in physically back together this way. I'm just giving the fan a good spin. It's all beautifully running, clean, it's not seized up anymore. And we hope to get the cover back on and get it back into operation. This is to show that the fan is operating successfully. It's very quiet. It has the carbon gone, and it's cleaned up really well. The fan itself is fully back together.